What is going on, beautiful people? How y'all doing today? Don't know why I do that all the time. I really don't know. I'm up, I'm hyper. I've been drinking some wine. Y'all, I am just ready to do this video. I actually was filming another video before this, but I wasn't filming it, so I stopped. Okay? But what we're gonna do, this has been done to death, but I just got these and I'm really getting into this company, so I wanted to go ahead and swatch these because I am so excited about these lipsticks, okay? But before we go ahead and get started, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to follow me on social media. Do not forget to click the little bell so you can be updated on when I post the videos, okay? Alright, y'all, so I've been gone for a while, but I am back. As you can see, my hair is blonde again. Okay, I went ahead and did my hair. Well, you actually saw a video where my hair was a little more honey blonde. I was in the process of leveling up. Okay, so I went to a salon, got my hair done and everything like that. He colored my hair colors this time. I wasn't doing it myself before my shit drop out. But if it does fall out, it's his fault. Okay, I'm just letting you know. But anyway, my hair is growing out a lot. But anyways, yes, so I'm back to my blonde, and I wanted my blonde for two things. My birthday was last week, April 4th. I am officially 39 years old, 1 year away from 40. Whew, child, I cannot believe that. But I'm 1 year away from 40, 39 years old. So I wanted my blonde for my birthday, okay? Second thing is springtime. Summer is about to approach. I'm trying to be cute. May not have the summer body that I want, but bitch, I'm trying to look cute some other way. Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and get my hair done blonde. So get that out the way, okay? So I did my video on Mented Cosmetics like 2 weeks ago or something like that about the foundation, and I got a lipstick. Well, they sent me a birthday coupon for 30% off, I think, for a purchase of 40 and over. So I bought 3 more lipsticks and a lip liner. Okay, so I wanted to come and do swatches, and I'm also going to swatch the one lipstick that I bought before, so I just wanted to do that. Honestly, I don't like bright lipsticks. I love a lip gloss, so I don't mind rocking a colored lip gloss, but I wanted some warmer nude type lipsticks to wear. Tired of matte lipsticks. I don't even wear matte lipstick anymore because I hate them. But I wanted something that is a lipstick but a little more nude, a little more that can match my skin tone, can make me look earthy and all that stuff. Especially with this blonde hair, I don't want something like really pronounced on my lips, and I have bigger lips. And for me, I'm not saying for everybody, but for me, wearing something bright, I can't do it because my lips are very big. My lips, I mean, not like super big, you know, they're not like Craig Mack big, rest in peace, but they are more pronounced. They're full, they're luscious, they're scrumptious. Okay, so I don't like wearing anything that is too bright. So I went ahead and bought these 4 lipsticks from Mented. If you do not know what Mented is, it is a cosmetic company for women of color. It was created by 2 sisters, 2 black women, because it was so hard for us to find our nude shades of lipstick, and they decided to step their game up and do it themselves. So they came out with lipsticks. Now they got foundations, glow thingies of butters and for the skins and stuff. So I've did the foundation. Update on the foundation. Okay, you remember when I did the foundation, I liked the foundation, but I felt like it was too matchy for my skin. Alright, so I went ahead and I returned it to exchange it. Okay, because you can do free return exchange. So that's what I did. I contacted them and I told them, well, bitch, not bitch, but you know, girl, I like the foundation, but I think it's too, it was just too matchy for me, and I wanted something a little more warmer. So I went ahead and got the M30. So I shipped back the M20 to them, and they just went ahead and shipped the M30 back to me. So I'm probably going to do a follow-up on that video so you can see how the M30 looks. Alright, so the initial color that I tried in my last video, if you have not seen that video, it's somewhere up here. But I did the brown Bear, okay? And I like this color a lot. I wear this color whenever I wear lipstick. The good thing about these lipsticks is you can wear it without a lip liner. So this is Brown Bear. Alright, so the next lipstick I'm going to try is Brand Nude. Now this is more, yeah, this is more nude. This is really pretty. This is like a brown peach. It is nude. It is a nice brown color of nude. I can honestly say these lipsticks feel so nice on my lips. It does not feel too harsh or anything. Okay, so the next foundation we are going to try is Peach Please. Alright, and it is a peach color foundation. Not foundation, I keep saying foundation. It's a peach color, peachy brown. It's more, it reminds me of Bare Nude, but it's like in reverse. So it's more peach, less brown. Bare Nude is more brown, less peach. Peach Please reminds me of a summer day in Atlanta. All right, day parties are popping. You cute. You with your homegirls. You try not to look unapproachable, but you want to look a little more demure than you normally do. Peach Please will do the trick. I like Peach Please. It is really pretty. It reminds me of the what was that? I can't remember the name of it, but the Aaliyah lip gloss from MAC. There's a peach. Actually, I have it somewhere. Hold on. Yeah, I got it right here. It reminds me of the Motor City lip gloss. The peachiness of it. Now, this to me, I love this, but it's a little too peachy, so I don't put on a lot. But this is the great equivalent of this. This is more for brown girls. This is really pretty. I like this one a lot. Okay? I like this one a lot. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Okay, so the last one that I have is Mented number 5. Okay? And the what's this called? Oh, Jesus. Old age, baby. The lip pencil. Jesus Christ. The lip pencil is also Mented number 5. Okay, so I can use this for any of these. I can use it with this, but I think I want to put the Mented number 5 on first and then put on the liner to see how it looks with the liner, okay? Okay, wait, hold on. I like this so much. Listen, I like all these. Like, for real, I like all of these. Oh my God. This is really pretty. Okay. This is really pretty, y'all. Look at it. It's really, really pretty. It is, I don't know what it is. Brown. It's peach. There's something else I feel like something is in there. But this is really nice. I like this one. I love all of them. I honestly love all of them. Well, you can't really tell with the liner because it's the same color, but I like this so much. Tell me what you think. But anyway, guys, let me know which one is your favorite. Was it Bare, Lord names. Was it Brown Bear, Bare Nude, Pretty Peach Please, or Mented number 5? Let me know which one is your favorite. Check out Mented Cosmetics. This is not a sponsored video whatsoever. I wish they would sponsor me because, girl, I want to buy all your stuff, okay? And I don't make all that money, okay? So I don't need to be spending all my hard-earned money with your company, okay? I don't feel like that's conducive to my lifestyle, but that's just me. But anyway, guys, let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you have tried any of these lipsticks, which one is your favorite. If I don't have it, let me know, and maybe I will try to buy it. Let me know which one is your favorite. If you have not checked out Mented Cosmetics, go ahead and check them out. The website is below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!